Priya Define and Sculpt. In today's video, I am going to show how I groom my cute little Krishna for Janmashtami or Krishna Jayanthi. Krishna Janmashtami is an annual Hindu festival that celebrates the birth of Krishna, the 8th avatar of Vishnu. And in this, crown and flute is being crafted by my lovely 8 years old daughter. Without further delay, let's get started. I'm starting with dhoti draping. Leave both edges and secure the waist with safety pin. Now taking the left side of the dhoti to pleat, bring the pleats back and secure it with safety pin if necessary. Now take the right side of the dhoti and pleat. Now secure it with safety pin. Take the down edge of the dhoti and pleat again and secure it with safety pin if necessary. See how simple and easy to drape a dhoti? Now let's get started with jewelry. I'm using pearl and kemp malas to decor. Now I'm using Tirisanam for Namam. Tirisanam, in other words, a red tikka. So I'm using this for Namam and I'm going to fix a bindi in the center. Now going to fix the crown. Secure the crown with tight knots. If it is going to be the craft, you have to secure it nice and tight. See, the crown looks so beautiful. I'm really proud of my daughter who did this craft for me just in one day. I'm using Ruby Woo lipstick from MAC Cosmetics, just applying it a little bit. And this beautiful flute is being designed by my lovely daughter. Here is the final look. See how easy to recreate cute little Krishna look? I hope this video is informative. If so, like and share. If you love the outcome of the crown and flute, comment below to encourage my lovely little daughter. And if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe Priya Define and Sculpt and click the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming videos. See you all soon. Bye bye.